What's up, everybody? My name is Nick Coyer of The Endless Aisle. This is our YouTube channel where we are going to be giving you tips and tricks on how to sell online. I've been in the business of selling online through the fancy word arbitrage, which is basically just finding items for a low cost in one market and selling in another market for a higher cost to earn a profit. I've been doing this for about 25 years now in varying capacities, whether part-time or full-time. And I've talked to many other people who want to learn how to earn extra income through selling online. What do I do? How do I do it? How am I earning this money? Well, I want to start by introducing you first to this YouTube channel. And I want to also introduce you to a course, a digital course that I created. There are 8 video modules to that course that will help you start today to learn how to earn that extra income. Are you a person who is maybe a stay-at-home parent who would like to just earn a little extra money in those down times when you have a little bit of spare time? Are you a full-time income earner, but maybe you wish you had a little extra money but don't want to go out there and get a second part-time job? This is a great way for you to take a little bit of time out of your schedule while working mainly from home and earning that extra income. Now, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This does take some work and effort on your part. And with work and effort, I believe you get rewarded for that. There are links in the description to this online course that I've created with these 8 video modules. These are short videos. I didn't want to create a course that was just bloated and filled with a bunch of stuff that you had to sift through to be able to get to the meat and potatoes of it, if you will. My video is designed to get you up and running very quickly, to teach you the principles, the tips and the tricks and the secrets of the trade on how to actually start selling online on whatever platform you want to sell on. These tips and tricks will allow you to utilize whichever selling platform or multiple selling platforms and be able to earn additional income, hopefully on a monthly basis. It all depends on how much time and effort you want to invest in it. And my course also teaches you how to scale up your business as you get more comfortable with it, as you begin to want to invest more into it and spend more time and see if you can earn a little extra income even. You can even scale it to be a full-time business, although I will caution it is very difficult to do that. But if you are just looking for a couple $100 extra a month, I believe this course is going to help you achieve that goal. And I believe you're actually going to have a little bit of fun with it too. I find over the years that while there are certain stresses to this business, it can also be fun. This is definitely a business that can be rewarding in many different ways. It's great to be able to have your own business and work from home, be able to spend time with your kids if you have kids. All that stuff is great. And this course is going to help you do that, help you earn additional income. So check it out in the description below. And as time goes on, I'm going to continue to give little tips and tricks on how to improve or tackle certain issues that may come up within this online selling marketplace world that we live in. So stick around on the channel, subscribe, like this video, and check out the course if you want to learn how to start selling online today. I promise you, if you follow these tips and tricks that I have, you will be able to earn additional income, real money that you can use to have fun with, to save. It's not going to come to you without work though, so be prepared to put in the effort, but I think you're going to enjoy it. I think you're going to be empowered, earning income on your own while at home. So once again, check out the links in the description on how you can purchase my course and start selling online today. Take care, and we'll see you next time.